Hello, beautiful people. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make best organic herbal soap for lightening and glowing skin. Organic herbal soap glowing soap has a lot of benefits. It's gentle cleansing, natural moisturization. It promotes healthy skin and rich in vitamins, and also free from harsh and synthetic addictive, and is suitable for all types of skin. Let's dive into the making. The first step is to prepare my carrot juice. I get 2 carrots, remove the dirt, wash it and grate it. After grating, I added a little water into it like 100 ml, and I stir it together. I stir it together very well and I set it aside. The next step, I bring out my mixing pot. Here is my mixing pot. You can use whatever you have, your bowl, your mortar, whatever that you can lay your hands on. And here is my soap base. My soap base is Ghana black soap. Ghana soap is made from plantain ash and is suitable for all types of skin. I pieces it into my mixing bowl and I pound it to make it smooth before adding the next ingredient. The next is to bring out my carrot juice, and I will be adding lemon into my carrot juice. Lemon is a citric acid content. It serves as a natural preservative in soaps and offers antimicrobial properties, and it's helping to prevent rancidity. And I extracted all my carrot juice. I use my sieve, extract it, and make sure I extract all the nutrients out of the carrots. Carrots juice rich in beta carotene. It's also rich in vitamin C. It promotes natural glow, reduce blemishes, and aiding in skin repair. It's also lightening skin. Here is my carrot juice, well extracted from the carrot. The next is to add my lemon juice into my carrot juice. I cut my lemon into 2, and I will be adding 1 part into my carrot juice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more powerful tutorial like this. Like, comment, and share. The next is to sieve my lemon and carrot juice to remove the lemon seed. Please don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch the video to the end before doing it yourself. Let's moving on. I will be adding my carrots and lemon juice into the soap base gradually. I will add it and I will make sure I mix it together gently. Make sure you mix it very well before adding the remaining parts. After adding all the remaining juice, and I make sure I mix it very well. I mix it for some minutes before adding the next ingredient. I added coconut oil, 2 spoons. I added 2 spoons of coconut oil followed by shea butter. Just put your eye on the screen. Then I added 2 spoons of original honey. Coconut oil has moisturizing, gentle exfoliation, and also potential acne treatment. Shea butter provides deep hydration and nourishment to the skin. While honey has antibacterial, brightening properties, and antiseptic ability, it helps our skin to glow. After then, we mix it together very well before adding the next ingredient. The next ingredient is powdered ingredient. The first one we are adding is rice powder. Rice powder added 2 spoons. Then followed by sulfur. Then turmeric, I added 2 spoons. Canwood, 2 spoons of canwood. And also I added cinnamon. Cinnamon, 1 spoon. And I added orange peel. Orange peel. Orange peel, I added 2 spoons of orange peel. After adding all the powdered ingredients, and I make sure I mix it together very well. I gently mix it together very well so that all the chemicals will blend together. All these ingredients, you can find it in any store that is closer to you that they are selling organic ingredients. Just go there, take your list there, buy all these ingredients, get all the ingredients, and make sure you follow the same step just the way you are seeing me doing my own. This, you can start a business with it. All these are common ingredients that you can find around you. And all the powdered ingredients, you can make research of each ingredient and see what all the ingredient does to our skin. After adding all the ingredients, you can see the soap now. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. After incorporate all the ingredients into it, after mixing everything together, this is how your own too should look like if you follow my step. Then get a packaging bottle of your choice. Look around you, get all this fancy packaging container. Package it neatly, cover it tightly, and market it. Let's test the foaming level. Look at my hand without adding any soap to it. Just the hand I use and remove the soap. Look at how it foams. Foams and have creamy foaming properties. This soap will tone your skin. It will brighten your skin and it will help your skin to glow. And also, it can be used for any types of skin. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and share, turn on your notification bell for other people to benefit from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.